currently employed at Elandsfontein Phosphate Mine, WCPO, is an access controller. So my role entails managing all site access and biometric systems to fit all our safety standards and compliance. So my day-to-day job is to make sure every employee entering the site is fit, um, and we do comply with all our safety standards. For we must remember everything we do take on safety always comes first. I started at Elandsfontein Phosphate Mine in 2015 as a site project administrator for DRA Global. Since then, I had the opportunity to grow into the perfect administrator for the site. So since then, I obtained 14 short courses within LinkedIn Learning, and I'm currently busy with my Semtric online course. So in my line of work, you need to be a really understanding person. You need to understand that people come from different backgrounds, come from different companies and different experiences. So you have to have heart. You also have to have a heart to work with different people every day. Being understanding and working with clients and all personnel at all client levels. The great culture here that is on Elandsfontein, the different diversities, the different people I work with, and also learn different things from everyone every day. And I would really like to see all organizations and Elandsfontein itself just strive to its better purpose. We all have our day-to-day tasks that add up to everything that we need to do to make this company a success or to make Elandsfontein a success. I think if we all give our best as we already do daily, we can just strive to the better in the future.